Yes, Andrea introduced me already, and I'm responsible for the marketing activities in Germany. And I want to share some experience using different acquisition methods and how we get on the top of the iPad charts free overall for one day with our app. And on the third position, iPhone top charts overall for one day, and how this position affects our whole business in this month. And Zattoo is available in 7 countries, but we are focusing on the markets German and Swiss. And we are available on many different app stores for different mobile devices. During this presentation, I'm focusing on the mobile apps, but we are also available on smart TVs, Xbox One we launched last week, and you can watch TV directly via browser with our new Zattoo web player. We did a lot of new stuff this year. Our business objective is a freemium model. We earn money from ads, mostly video ads, and from selling premium pay products. And the big two, the products and the watches. We need not only registration or sign-ups, so we need the watches. And the younger prefer the free model, so we earn money from ads from these persons. And the older ones are ready to pay for premium models and pay products. Almost in Germany we have 5% active watches, they're paying for premium models. So the most important thing we did this year, building a completely new basement. It is worth to build a strong basement and clarify the strategy, because this year in May we are a mobile company, because the active users using Zattoo on mobile devices increases so much they overwhelm the web users. And to clarify the strategy is better to the run in the frog, and we did a lot of basement work, and I give you a quick overview what we did. The process to prepare for all our new products and relaunches, we did online user survey, user workshops, we work with the users in one room, monitoring the market, data analysis, it's massive, we have so much data, and we did clarification customer lifetime value, analysis by device, so we know high volume users, watches, on which device is the most important thing, and we set up a new Kpi Matrix. With this knowledge, we hopefully ask the right questions, and we clean up a lot and optimize on the product. As Stephanie already said, we built up a completely new Android app, and we're working on a completely new iOS 7 app, and in December is coming the Windows 8 app, completely new, and then we set up new reporting tools to analyze the user flow in the app. And we're working, actually it's small now, but it's getting better and better, a customer relationship management. It's Zattoo made, it's homemade. For the reporting tool, we use this Timo. For app analytics, over a year, we start with that. And we analyze the performance of all our apps across the app stores, the downloads, the revenues, the ranking and the ratings. And all we see there also in a quick view, the featured events on the different app stores. iOS featured us in November 2 times. Android featured us 2 times on Editor's Choice. And so you can see the effects, oh, we were best app of the day or app new or so, and we can mark this in your downloads, like, okay, this is the feature point, this is the feature point, this is the next feature point. And we can compare performance across apps, different stores, and our different countries with this tool. We start then with the this Timo app promotion links, the conversion tracking since June this year. Now we are able to pass traffic depending on the devices in the various app stores. So we set up every campaign with every social media posting with an app link, get the app, and we know from this link what's going on after clicking this, which device, which download, and so on. And we are able to measure the conversion tracking from app promotion to install, sign up, and check the monetization afterwards, the lifetime user value of every campaign, and we can compare this. We talk a lot about Kpi Matrix, and we use this Temu for the native apps and also Google Analytics. Creating touchpoints, we are over this point, I think. But with the app promo link and the app analytics, we can pass the traffic. We create a campaign ID, and then we know the traffic to the app stores. And then we defined important KPIs, but we do not earn money with it. It's the app install, the sign up, or maybe a redeem a gift code. But with these users, there's no cash made. The next macro conversion is the as seen. Most important for us, 80% we earn from this. So we need heavy watches and heavy switches, we call them. And the transaction to pay products. This is a conversion tracking we now use almost 1 month with the Temu SDK. And we built up a completely new responsive website, because we have not only apps, we have also web video player. So we earn money from users watching with a laptop, but more and more using Zattoo on the mobile apps. But we need this responsive website to be ready for mobile search. And we are trying out some campaigns this November, also with app install, and put the Temu app link through this SEM marketing activity through the App Store. And also the responsive website has the Temu app link inside, so we can pass the users to the various app stores we have. Most important thing, we just redesign it now. The App Store presentations, we add the claim live TV to Zattoo. For, I think, 8 months, the apps were called Zattoo, and then we renamed it Zattoo Live TV, if it's possible, when we added the TV to the name, to the brand. And now we are recreating the first USP picture, because it's not so easy to read. They're working on that. And the other design screenshot, we're getting feature headlines. So with every screenshot, people know, okay, I can do this, this, and that. And imagine why there is a football picture on this screen, because it's the most important content we have. This is an example how Temu makes data visible. It is an easy understand your marketing efforts and the campaigns. It's like a water flow chart, and you can your campaign, you can see the most effort you get with your campaign, and you can compare these different campaigns. And there you see how many people coming to which store, which installs, which sign-ups, and the macro conversions as seen, and high Q subscription. So we did some test campaigns before. We focused on the November campaign. We did before some test campaigns. We have a partner. It's a TV listing magazine, and we get some cheap print ads from them. But every time we have a print ad, we put on a gift code as booster, time limited, and also we use a QR code with the Temu app link, so we can reporting how this is working. And we did this also with social media, a gift code, and put it on the social media, also with the app link. And for both things, the quantity of the redeemed gift code was better from the print ad, but the quality of the watches and the switches were much better from the social media gift code. And this social media gift code was combined with a football soccer game in this time frame. It works perfect. And we get a lot of information out of this. You can follow all customer lifetime circle after this redeemed gift code. We track after 30 days, is he a watcher? We track after 90 days, is he a watcher, and did he paid products? And in the various multi-channel marketing, it's a big orchestra. And already Stephanie said, you know which instrument has to be played. This is really important and impact your user, because you need to wake up the registration users and make them to watch, as in our case. And now we have to decide when playing which sound to have a great rhythm. And for that, this is the orchestra built like in a strategy way. It's a big multi-channel marketing mix. And where we implemented our new customer relation management system, we are focusing on the macro conversions, the black ones, the retention tools, the wake-up call tools, I said, the emails, the social media, the display in-app for the high-Q products, for the pay products, and for the laptop users, we have created a messaging system like a blurb pops up, and also in-app push notifications and mobile ads we use for the retention. The first step is the new user, but the biggest thing is to get heavy switches. Yes, knowing the keys, that's the important thing. What is your best performer, the high-value user? And I can say it from our perspective, after our data research, it is still the iOS, and it's far away from all the others in our case, far away from all the others. I think it's 4 times better than the web user, and 6 times better as the Android user. But the Android user is getting better, so there's much potential in there, but our product has to improve more, and we have to improve more the customer payment service there. We have to do a little better in this case. And we focused the most of our marketing budget on the November. And we did a lot of small campaigns before to be prepared, to be testing, and then we said, okay, November is a big bang. We have created an RTL November Benefits Month. We put some premium channels into our free product and say, hey, only in this month you can watch this for free. We did a lot of data research, show rating, App Store history, Google search, keyword traffic, data insights from searching in the Zattoo app, or show ratings, the customer lifetime analysis by device. And so we start the campaign. This is look like the creativity, the picture. We decide for the Formula 1. There were many big races in the RTL November. And then we are concentrating on some activities. We made Smart Boost app install campaign on the iOS App Store. For the iPad, we start with the iPad and then followed up with the iPhone. We did some Google AdWords for PC and mobile. We have some barter deals for mobile display and mobile internet, and some owned media from our social media and from our partners. We have a lot of TV magazine partners we also integrated. And then we go follow up this. We start on the 1st of November with the iPad Smart Boost, and it works very well. We are top 1 overall free and top 1 in the category, and it's entertainment. It's really a messy category. We had a lot of games there. But we stayed there for a long time, and we have a really tremendous big impact on downloads and activities and heavy watches. And we wait, I think, 8 days, and then we start the iPhone Smart Boost. But we saw when you start the iPad Smart Boost, the iOS phone increases also, but we start this next campaign later, but it was an impact on these store also. Also, it was an impact for Android users also. And after this was a timing. We want to start with the boost, then it's the ranking is okay, and then we start the other campaigns. We said, okay, let's go for the Facebook mobile iOS with special targeting on RTL and also generic entertainment. And we start some Google AdWords for mobile and app-to-download campaigns. Also, we had mobile displays in this football live ticker iLiga and in some other Welt and TV Digital and Zattoo. So, the KPI reporting, I focus now on the Smart Boost. Was really good. We have, this is the old slide from yesterday, but I can say you it was big impact, and we had 60,000 downloads. 80% from these downloads signed up, and I think from these 80%, it was almost 80% they are really active users. We increase a lot of watches, and the transaction is coming now after the November. Then is the next step, getting the retention, the macro conversion transaction. Now we are only looking at seen, and we saw this impact from these boost from these different campaigns are really on all our devices, not only on the iOS. All other activities increase a lot. I think overall our devices, we increase 35%. And this is really a lot of thing when you're living from ad channels to seen. What's next? We start a combination with a TV spot and apps where we now working on it. And we're working on the customer relationship management to get the people engaged and keep them heavy watches. And we are working on a lot of new stuff in SEO optimization. We start with this in the next year. And I hope we have a tremendous impact also from the media that we are starting with the Xbox One. Thank you for listening to me.